Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use teleprompter feature on InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my InShot application. And for your information, this is a new feature on InShot. InShot has just added this teleprompter feature guys, and I'm going to show you how you can use it. Okay, I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to select blank clip. Okay, and basically guys, we can use this teleprompter feature to display a script on screen while we're recording our voiceover. So it can allow us to read along while we're doing voiceover. And you can go to this audio menu. Oops, wait, let me make it longer. Okay, you can go to the audio menu and you can select record. And here you will see this icon guys. This is the icon for the teleprompter feature, and you can activate this feature. Okay, and then here you can enter or paste text to use the teleprompter. And for the text, I have already asked ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy it and paste it here. Oops. Okay, this is the script from ChatGPT. Let's say that I want to make a voiceover for my video, and this is the script. Okay, and I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay guys, and then you can go to the setting, and here you can zoom in or zoom out, and then you can customize the scroll speed like this. And I'm going to choose one. You can also highlight sentences like this, and I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, and you can play your recording like this. I mean, you can record your voiceover while playing this teleprompter like this. Okay, and this feature guys is very useful if you want to do voiceover for your video. It can help you to do your voiceover, so you don't need to write the script manually. You can read it from the teleprompter. Okay guys, and that's how we can use teleprompter feature on InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.